Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Central. Today we're going to be discussing a new upcoming airdrop, and that is Layer 3. So Layer 3 is like Galaxy and Interact in the way that they allow you to participate in different airdrops. So it would be only understandable that they also are going to be airdropping. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to qualify for that airdrop. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, if you have been following my videos, you probably have interacted with Layer 3 already. In my opinion, is one of the better places where you can qualify for airdrops, especially for those blockchain airdrops. We have been following the Interact, the Linear Park, quests, and that is on Layer 3. So I'm going to show you my browser so you can follow along, and I'm going to explain how to get more points and how to interact with Layer 3 in order to qualify for that airdrop. So let's go to the browser, guys. This is the website, and again, the link to this specific page will be in the description of this video. Now, here's what you need to know. Cubes are a type of NFT of the new sort that is kind of a mix between a token and an NFT, and they are using this to connect your activities in this website to different projects and to the airdrop. So those cubes need to be minted. They are a type of NFT, and by doing different tasks, even those that you have been doing on the Linear Park, if you have been participating in that, will allow you to mint these cubes. Now, the more cubes you get, the more of the airdrop, which is fine and interesting if you are trying to get this. I would imagine their airdrop for Layer 3 is going to be interesting because they are, again, linked to huge projects, including Linea. So here's what you need to know. In this page, on the upper right hand, you can see the total experience points in this website. So that is not necessarily the Linear Park experience points. They add all together all those quests that you have been following. The experience points will add together, and the more XP, the more you can do stuff in this website. Below you will see your progress. So these are kind of tiers of experience points. So I'm on kind of halfway to that tier of 1,300 experience points. And then you can see that I get to choose some rewards for cubes. I will get into that in a second. Those are a way to get even more experience points. So that's tip and trick number 2, but I'll get to that before I'll need to explain how to get your first cube. Now, over here you can see active boosts. This is one boost I got from that reward. And below, I mean, if you are participating in quests like Linear Park, it will tell you which ones. So you can quickly click on them and get to those. This other thing I hadn't even noticed, that you can actually click on a good morning button, and it will qualify you for more of that airdrop. And I'm going to show you in this video in a moment how to do that. So the first thing you need to do is begin your first quest. It is Intro to Cubes. So let's go ahead and click on there. And basically, if you have been doing some stuff on this website, you know what to do. You click on the first line, and then it will, in this case, explain what those cubes are. And you can just click on continue, and it will explain what they do, how they work. And basically, they group transactions, even if they are in different blockchains, into one cube. That's how they call it. And that cube contains all the information of those quests. And then if you click on continue, you can mint those cubes to complete quests, unlock token rewards, and even build your on-chain identity. And that is important because a lot of airdrops are asking for proof of humanity. So I would imagine they will eventually tie this to POH. Now, if you can click on continue, they explain that they are initially minted on Base. So you might need to have some ETH on that blockchain, which is extremely cheap, guys. I would not be too concerned that the gas fees over there. I think it's one of the cheapest in any L2. So, and if you don't know how to get ETH into Base, go to see my video on bridges. I normally would use Orbiter or Owl too. And again, there are airdrops on those bridges. So by doing some bridging, you will also qualify for those airdrops. So it's a snowball, guys. And now we click here, and it's basically explained that you can earn ownership as you quest, which I'm not entirely sure what they try to mean by that. But we just click on continue, 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 and eventually you get to repost something on X. So basically you just open it and repost whatever is given there to repost, and click on continue. And then they offer you to bridge on base using their bridge. If you have that possibility, I would actually do it, because bridges prefer you to do bridging on their own bridge. So but I didn't have to. I already had some ETH on base, and in my case I did not have to use this bridge. However, guys, if you don't have funds on base right now, use this bridge. I'm sure it will get you more points. Now, if you click on continue, then you will earn some ETH for each referral, which is nominal. I mean, it's cents of a dollar. I'm going to place the link on the description of this video, and I would very much appreciate it if you can click that before coming to this Cubes website. So you can copy your own link. You can place it on this video on the comment section, and I'm sure that people will find it handy if you place it over there. You can also place it all over your social media and try to get as many people involved in this. So now that you see I've been doing all this, the claim rewards is locked for some reason, but I have already completed it, which is how you get your first cube. Now let's go back here. So we're going to go back one page, and then you can do all these quests and get some cubes. That includes linear and some bridging. So I mentioned bridging. You can do that on Wormhole, and that will get you one more cube. Scaling BNB. So if you're using up BNB, you need to do some tasks there, and you will get that cube, etc., etc. So some of them, if you have been watching my videos and doing those tasks, you probably are already qualified for those cubes. So all you have to do is go here, click, and just click on verify. And if it does check your previous transactions, you don't have to do anything else, just verify those tasks. One of this, in my case, it might be let's see, the Wormhole. And there's another bridge, Bungee. I've never used that. But if I click on the Wormhole, bridging via Wormhole, I will probably already qualify for that, because I have used that. And if you watch that video on how to get your airdrop on Wormhole, you probably, first, you already have some worm or some W to claim, which congratulations if you did. And if you have not used that, it is a great bridge. It will allow you to bridge not only between L2s, but also between different blockchains. So I'm going to click here, and just so you see how this works. And basically it tells you something about the bridge. And I'm going to click on continue. And then it asks me to bridge ETH from Arbitrum to Optimism. And I'm not entirely sure if I did that, but all I can do is click on verify, and just to start this and see if I have some transactions. So I'm clicking on verify, and it tells me I have not bridged from that particular set of blockchains. So if I had done that, it would just give me the green light, and then I would get those points in order to get this cube. Now I can go ahead and click on open portal and do a bridging operation. This is not that video. I already have a video where I explain how to use Portal Bridge, which is the Wormhole bridge. It would take a long while, and I wouldn't want to make this unnecessarily long. So then the next thing you need to do is that I'm going to go back one page, one step, and this boosts are a way for you to double or get more of those cubes or experience points. So if you go here, you can see that I have activated this experience point boost. So tomorrow, if I start, well, I get 24 hours to use this. if I continue with the linear airdrop, for example, the linear park, those tasks that will give me 30 to 40 experience points, they will qualify for double that. I don't know if that will work for the linear airdrop, but it will work for the layer 3 airdrop. And there are other stuff that you get by collecting cubes. If you click on the right hand button, you can see all the stuff that you will be given as you collect more cubes. Now, the other thing that I think it's important to see is you just, like Owl 2, you just click on the daily stuff, on a daily button, and you will get more of those points. And this, in this case, is called Good Morning. So I'm going to show you how to click on that, because that will potentially give you more points for that airdrop. Well, guys, it's not allowing me to click on GM because I already clicked on it today. So you would just have to click here, and it allows you to confirm a transaction. It will charge you around 3 cents of a dollar, depending on the congestion of the blockchain. And that's all you need to do. You can do it every day. And the more GMs you get, the more of that airdrop you will potentially be getting. Now, cubes are the most important factor here. And you can actually click on the level here, and it will show you what you already have done within this ecosystem or this protocol. So if you can go to the right hand side, you see cubes. I have already gotten 3 of them, and you can actually go and search for the transaction hash by clicking here on I think it's on base, if I remember. Yeah, I think it's on base. So, and those are available on the marketplace. I don't know if you buy them outright, if they would qualify you for the airdrop. I mean, I would think it's a matter of earning them, but I don't know. I mean, if you want to go ahead and try to buy them, then you're more than welcome. But if I was layer 3, I would not allow for that. Then you can check on achievements. Those are other kind of badges you get by doing these transactions. For some reason, I don't remember getting this NFTs unlocked, probably by doing some of those tasks, like in this case, scroll. And then you can check the quests you have completed. Most of this, in my case, come from the linear park quests and probably some other stuff. So let's go back one step. And again, how do you start collecting those cubes? Begin your first quest. Then step number 2, go and read all of this, because you probably have been already qualifying for some of these cubes. So maybe you've done some transactions on Trader.io, maybe you have used Polygon ZK EVM, and some of them will of course give you more experience points. You can check this, the amount on each one of these buttons. Maybe you have been staking on Solana. In my case, this is what I have done. So I have staked on Marinade. So you would need to collect your Solana wallet, of course, in order to check. So in my case, you just click on begin. It tells me what Marinade is. Of course, I already know what that is because I have used that. You click on open Marinade. If you have been using it, you just come back here, and it will eventually allow you to click on verify. And once you complete the steps, you will get that cube. The more cubes you get, guys, the more of that airdrop you get. So just to sum everything up, guys, here is the tips and tricks. 1, go to this website. Again, link is in the description. If you click on my link, then I will be thankful to you, and because I'll be getting some ETH. And then go ahead and post your link on the comment section so more people can click on yours. Step number 2, guys, all you have to do is click on start, and that will get you your first cube. The first one is really easy. Step number 3, go and read all of those buttons, because probably you have already been qualified for getting those cubes without doing any extra effort. So if you have done that, click on begin and then click on verify, and then you'll get your cube. Lastly, go ahead and click on the good morning button as often as you can, 1 per day, because the more of those GM transactions you do, the more of that airdrop potentially you're going to be getting. So I hope this was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like this video. And again, subscribe to Startup Central, because in here we keep talking about airdrops, how to qualify for them, how to claim your tokens, and of course, how to make money in crypto. See you in the next video. Bye-bye now.